how to backup data to Samsung Cloud on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accounts and Backup. After click on Account and Backup, click on Backup Data. After click on Backup Data, you will see apps is here. If you want to backup your if you want to backup data, so turn on button. After turn on app button, click on backup now. After click on backup now, you will see backup cloud data is backup. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can backup data to Samsung Cloud on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.